There you go. There you go. Thank you, Leo. Okay, di ba? Sa una pa naman tayo about the outline of discussion. Okay, now let's start with ano ba ang trading strategy? Okay, so when you start trading po, okay, first of all, you will learn the technical analysis of it. And then, you will have to formulate your own trading strategy. Hindi naman po kayo mag-base it from other people, but at the end of the day, you have to personalize your own trading strategy. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng entry-entry lang, sell-sell tayo, buy-buy, kung kailan natin gusto or hula-hula lang, di ba? Masusunog po ang account natin kapag ganyan. So, we have to create a trading strategy. Okay? So, what is a trading strategy? It is a systematic plan. So, may sistema. Okay? Before pa kayong sumugod, may plano na kayo. Okay? For making trading decisions. It should be very clear. May mga entry points, exit points. Kung hindi masunod kung anong mangyari ni market, may mga plan A, plan B tayo. Management ng risk. It should be tested. Hindi po pwedeng strategy tapos masasabi mong profitable ka na kaagad after 1 month. Ang tested po, it should be tested through time with different markets, with different seasonality of the market. It should be repeatable. If hindi nyo po siya ma-repeat, kasi hindi nyo alam kung bakit kayo nagka-profit during the trade, hindi po yan totoong solid na strategy. You should come to a point na kahit it becomes boring, that's what they say, na it will reach a point na hindi ka na nag-iisip kasi it's already systematic. If this happens, this is what you're going to do. If this happens, okay, may step by step na tayong gagawin for that strategy. Okay? It is designed to maximize profits and manage risk. So how do we create a strategy? Ito po ang usual process ng trading strategy. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apat po siya na phases. And hindi po siya madali. It will usually take you po 2 to 3 years to really master. Okay? May sometimes po kahit less than 2 years, naging profitable ka na. But the more you stay with the market and the more you are still at the end of the year is net positive, then you can say that your trading strategy works. Okay? So first of all, you create your own strategy. That's 1 to 2 weeks. That's when you create your entry points, exit points. That's when you tell anong time frame ka magte-trade. Are you a scalper, day trader, swing trader? Anong ite-trade mo na market? Okay? Yun po ang unang-una. You have to decide, build a structure, and it's a rules-based plan. Second, you have to test this strategy, mga 1 month. Because you have to validate by back testing. How do you do it? You go to TradingView or other platforms. You go back 2, 3 years na data and you input this strategy and see if you have an edge, meaning 50% of the time you are winning. Okay? Not just with the number of trades, but your winners win more than the losing trades. Second, you have to execute it. Demo. That's 1 to 2 months. Hindi po pwedeng masabi mong fully tested na yung strategy mo if you don't forward test it. But at first, dapat demo muna na 1 to 2 months, okay? Builds discipline and journal execution. Very important if it will really pass the different market conditions, okay, the different seasonalities of the year. Kasi baka backtest ka and hindi na-experience ng ganitong condition. So you have to demo it with a live market, but with a demo account. Now you go live. That's 1 to 3 months. Okay? You start muna with a small capital and then you adjust with your journaling. And lastly, you refine. The refining is every now and then. It's ongoing. Kaya nga it becomes 2 to 3 years before you become profitable to optimize and grow. So imagine, ang dami pong i-go through before ikaw maging profitable and really have a solid trading strategy. Okay? But guys, this evening po, I will show you what this strategy, this shadow technique strategy, pwede nyo pong gamitin today. Ngayon na, kahit newbie pa tayo. Okay? And this is shadow technique. So, si shadow technique po, hindi po siya basta-basta lang na trading strategy. Binaktest po siya ng 13 years na historical data. Okay? And after that, finorward test muna siya for 6 months before po siya ni-release sa ating mga members. Ganun po ka-responsible ang Izanagi trading system, the authors of Shadow Technique. Okay? They always keep in mind, in heart and soul, the members or the users na why would they give you a strategy that's not working? Okay? They have to test it for themselves. Naging dalawang version na po siya, and this second version has optimized na based from the feedback that we received from our members. Okay? So, congratulations, because this time you are receiving and you will be using the better second version. Kasi Shadow 2.0 na tayo ngayon. Okay? And this has been used by our members since 2022. And why would you use a strategy kung hindi siya profitable, di ba? Okay? And these are just a few of our traders in the community who are using the shadow technique and they achieved million profits already. This is Ma'am Al. She is Bisaya din. She's from Davao. She recently retired. She used to work in Mexico. Umuwi na siya ngayon because she made $800 to ₱1,000,000 in 5 months. But mind you guys, dalawang account ang nasunog niya. But the shadow technique lang is kinustomize niya, high risk taker kasi to, kinustomize niya to his own profile na masuit talaga kung anong gusto niya. Okay, but she had to go through a lot of challenges before achieving that. So I'm just telling you guys, it's a very challenging thing to do, no, to follow her footsteps. However, it is possible. Okay? Ito po si Ma'am Al. Ito din po si Ma'am Dorothy. She's also from Qatar. She's still working there right now. She's a single mom, HR manager. Nagtitrade siya since 2023. Ito po, yung nasa likod nyo guys, yan po ang MyFX book nila. MyFX book will tell you the diary of their trading accounts. And if you can see, nag 3,000% yung capital nila. May 224. Ito si Sir Art, 1,720. Si Sir Art din po, they are very interesting stories if makikilala niyo po sila sa community. Sir Art used to work in Singapore, now retired as well since starting this January. He is also using the shadow technique, pero sa gold nga lang. Very, high risk din yung ginagawa niya, but it's also still based from shadow technique. Diyan din po siya nagsimula. Okay? And lastly, ito din po si Ma'am Tiffany. Okay? They all gained $1,000,000 profit. So, gusto niyo din po ba maging ganito and become successful in your own trading account? I'm just telling you guys, it's challenging, pero it is possible. Pa-type naman po ng 1,000 kung gusto niyo din po kagaya ni Ma'am Al, ni Ma'am Dorothy, Sir Art, and Ma'am Tiffany. Yun, 1,000. Yes. Sino ba namang ayaw, 'di ba, ng maging successful sa trading nila? But guys, I'm just telling you na hindi po siya madali at first, okay? They use this as their baseline, si shadow technique as their baseline for their strategy, but it also took them 1 to 2 years before talaga naging confident and na-customize nila yung strategy. Okay, so guys, ano ba tong shadow technique na ito? Uy, Christian! Huwag ka muna magsulat, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, so ano ba tong shadow technique na ito? Okay, so si shadow technique po, it's a manual trading strategy. Okay? Ang ginagawa po nito is, it's first of all, AI assisted. Okay? So we will give you an access to a demo signal account. Si robot po ang nagde-trade doon. Si robot na po or the algorithm or si AI will find the market setup for you to trade. Okay? Kaya po AI assisted na siya. May pinasok po tayo na settings, na indicators, okay, sa 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour na time frame to catch those high probability trades. Ang strategy po ni Shadow Technique or the robot is it catches the retracement. What does that mean? The market po or the price of our currencies, hindi po siya straight line. It will always have a pullback. Kung naka-uptrend siya, okay, may pullback, may pullback. Kung downtrend naman po siya, before it continues to go down, aakyat muna before mo go down, aakyat muna, okay? That is the typical, okay, trend ng price action, sorry, ng market price. So what the robot gets is etong retracement or the pullback. So if may overextended na mga currency pairs, okay, kukunin niya po yan because it is bound to retrace or pull back in a few candles. Ganun po ang strategy niya. But the good thing lang po niyan is, hindi po tayo pumapasok kaagad. Okay? Pinapauna po natin si robot. So the robot will open a position, okay? Una siya, will create 4 more levels first before po tayo papasok and mangopya sa kanya. So, di ba? Ang kagandahan niya po is si robot muna mag-uuna. Okay? And then we will just follow if the right conditions are there already, because at level 5 or later levels, there is a higher probability already that it will, okay, magtitipi na siya. So, dun po tayo kumukopya. Okay? Is everything clear pa po? Are you learning? Pa-type naman po ng learning. Kung copy, yes, Gary. Okay. So far, clear pa naman, no? Learning, yes, correct, correct. Thank you, thank you. So, yun po ang strategy ni robot. Okay? And if you see my video po, and it was very controversial because this strategy is unlike the traditional one na wala siyang stop loss. If naka-sell, okay, or for example, if naka-buy si robot, okay, and it continues to go down, okay, the price continues to go down, instead of having a stop loss, it will continue to open trades, okay? So, first level, second level, okay? So, increasing po yung lot size niya. Okay? Because when you go to the later levels, mas malaki na yung profit niya. Okay? Para kahit hindi niya balikan lahat ng levels, overall gain pa rin. So, yun po ang non-traditional strategy niya, walang stop loss. But, don't worry po, we have our risk management. It's an equity cut loss. Equal stop loss, but an equity cut loss. So, how does it go? Okay, so this is the representation of, wait, bakit hindi siya makita? Ayun. So, this is the representation of the shadow technique, okay? If i-chart nyo po, and you will get access to the strategy, okay, you will see na bakit nakabuy si robot napabagsak ang presyo, okay? If you zoom this out, this would have been may support dito, okay? May support. Pero na-break niya ang support kaya tumuloy siyang bumagsak, okay? So ang ginagawa ni robot, it opens a position here, okay? First entry niya. Tumuloy pa siyang bumagsak. So another entry na ulit here, okay, with increasing lot size. It will continue to, okay, open levels or open positions, okay, until mag-reach ka ng level 5, it's obvious because the lot size is 0.5. According po sa backtesting data natin, dyan po, pinakamalaking probability that it will retrace and it will gain profits. Ang kagandahan po, we only enter here in this level where it will already take profit. Okay? So, dito po tayo nag-entry at the higher levels. Okay? And I will also share with you the particular steps po, the step-by-step guide kung paano po siya gagawin. Okay? So, are you learning po? Pa-type ng 100 kung everything is clear pa so far. $100. Okay, this is a very good question, Ronnie. Sa higher time frame ay retracement siya kaya kinotch ni robot sa lower type F ang exacting bullish. Ronnie, so eto siya. The robot opens or gets the positions at 15-minute time frame. So it will not open additional level unless that candle finishes. So if you look at the lower time frame, it might look na it is against the trend. But if you look at the higher time frame, ano siya? Sorry. The lower time frame, for example, no, sa lower time frame, bullish pa. Bullish na siya, kaya nag-buy. Pero sa higher time frame, bearish pa. So, something like that. Okay? I will share with you later, Ronnie, kung paano siya gawin kung may technical analysis ka na para ma-chart mo siya and you will use the robot as your indicator na lang. Okay? But that's a very good question. Okay. Now, sino ba yung mga newbie natin dito? Newbie traders. Sige. Pa-type ng me. Yung zero knowledge. Okay, sige. Me. Guys, pa-screenshot po ito because this will be the steps that you will have to take, okay, in order to execute the strategy. Okay? May entry na po siya, may exit, and then how do you manage the risk? Okay? So, ito po ang step-by-step guide for you to execute the strategy. So, unang-una po, you will check the robot's trades in the demo signal account. Tapos, you will look at trades that are level 5 and more. That's the first filter. Dapat may 5 magkasunod-sunod na same currency pair. Okay? Yun po ang una nyong gagawin. Kung merong level 5 or more, then you will check the historical data to see if pairs are safe for entry. Okay? Again, only enter at the last 3 levels. Again, guys, only enter at the last 3 levels. What do I mean by this? Ito po siya. This data will be given to you. And based from our backtesting summary, this pair has reached these maximum levels. And I'm telling you guys, as a newbie, na hindi niyo pa po alam ang technical charting, okay, mga support and resistance, Fibo, and other stuff, I am telling you guys, please enter only at the later levels. Okay, so if 6 po ang maximum, then you enter at 4, level 4, level 5, level 6. Okay? For example, if you see AUD-USD, kung may level 5 si AUD-USD, huwag po kayong pumasok. Kasi may malaking probability din po, based from history, na aabot siya ng 12 levels and your account might not carry the drawdown. So, kung AUD-USD, only enter at level 10, level 11, and level 12. You see the pattern? The last 3 levels lang po ang i-entry niyo. So, level 10, level 11, and level 12. Okay? So on and so forth. Okay? And, ito po ang pip interval niya. What does it mean? Ang interval po, from level 1 to level 2 to level 3, okay? The pips is 20 pips, okay? 20 pips po ang sa next price po niya. Kung hindi pa po alam ang pip, it's the, for example, here, okay? Just for the newbies po, some definition of terms para when you are actually trading, you will somehow understand, okay, what these terms are. Okay, so when you see, ito pong CAD this is exactly how it will look like when we trade and you will open your trading account. Okay, si CAD po, that's Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. That's the currency pair. Okay, etong buy, this is the position. Pwede kang mag-buy, pwede ka rin mag-sell. Ito pong 0.01, this is the lot size or trade size. Meaning po, gaano kalaki or kaliit ang parang pantaya mo for that specific na entry or trade. Okay? Ito pong nasa left na price, that is the presyo na na-open nyo po ang posisyon. Okay? For example, 0.6609. Okay? Yan po ang presyo na ni-open nyo ang posisyon. Ito pong second price here, that's the current market price. Meaning, ang presyo po ng currency pair ngayon. Ang difference po nila, okay, times the lot size, that becomes your gains and profits. Okay, for example, nabili nyo po siya at 0.6609. By the way, the pip is only at the fourth decimal place. Tapos, ang current na market price ngayon is 6,511. 6609 versus 6501, so bumaba ang presyo. Okay? If you look at the difference between them, it's more or less nasa 9 to 10 pips. Times your lot size nga 0.01, that's why you have a negative 10 na loss. Yun po ang paano mag-make sense po ng trading account nyo. Okay? Naintindihan po ba? Pa-type naman po ng 100. If very clear po so far ang mga pinagsasabi natin, kahit newbie ka. Very good. Clear naman. Okay. Sige. Okay. So, the difference po, okay? Ito pong, kailan po siya nag-a-add ng entries? Okay? From level 1 to level 2, we know that it is 20 pip apart. Okay, how do we know that? 0.6609, that's level 1, plus 20, okay, that becomes 0. By the way po, nasa ganito po siya nakasulat. Okay? Okay, meaning kung buy, tuluyan pa siyang bumagsak. So, we minus it. Okay. So, that's, ano ba to? 9, 10, 8, 6, 15, 5. Tama ba? Oh, so, wait lang. Let me use my calculator. 0.6609 minus 0.0020. So, 6589. 6589. Okay? 6589. Okay? Yun po ang 20 pips next nga entry level niya because bumagsak pa siya ng 20 pips lower. Okay, that's why you see here, ang next level niya, 65797. Bakit po hindi siya exact 6589? Because the robot waited for that candle sa 15-minute to close before siya nag-open. And sometimes, super volatile ang market na super laki ng candle. Okay, for example lang. Okay, so if you also, like, minus this 20 pips further, ang answer po niyan is 6535, next 6526, and 64988. Okay, yun po ang pip interval. So later on, you will understand, pwede ko palang i-buy limit order. Because alam ko na kapag dadaanan niya itong presyo na to, which is 20 pips lower or higher, mag-open ng position si robot. Okay? And you can also see that the lot sizing is increasing. Because we should always have a bigger lot size at the lower levels or higher levels, para kahit po hindi ito balikan ni robot, okay, overall, gaining pa rin yung profits natin. By the way, it retraces 38 to 40%. Okay, so not necessarily na maging positive ito lahat. Okay, ang kailangan niya lang maging positive is at least itong dalawa, positive pa rin siya because you have a higher lot size sa level 4 and level 5. Okay, mga newbies, kamusta? Clear pa ba? Are you learning? Pa-type po ng clear. If gets na gets naman. Okay, okay. Okay. Sige, Carolina. Let's go back to the steps. Okay. So, ang tanong niya, ano po ang lot size na gagamitin mo? Very good. So, if ready ka na mag-entry, okay? For example, nakita natin si ODCAD here. Tapos, si ODCAD, pwede level 6. Tapos, kita natin sa demo signal na level 4 na siya. So, pwede na tayong pumasok. Level 4, 5, 6. Last 3 levels lang ang papasukan natin, di ba? Okay. So, sa level 4, okay, we will enter a position with a lot size of 0.01. Kung mag-open ulit ng level si robot ng pang level 5 niya, tayo level 2, lot size natin 0.02. And 0.03 ang last. Okay? Yun po ang lot sizing natin. Always use 0.01 for your first entry, 0.02 for your second entry, 0.03 for your third entry. Ganun po. Ganun po ang lot sizing niya. Okay? Huwag po kayong maboard. Sa una po, super liit lang po ng gains niyo, pero better na yan kasi at least medyo low risk pa ang strategy niyo. You can customize this strategy later kung confident na kayo and you have your technical analysis already. For now, please follow lang po muna this strategy, okay? And ang advice ko rin po sa newbies, kung wala pong magandang level, okay, to make an entry, okay, stay away from your account. Huwag pong pilitin mag-trade. Okay ba yon mga newbies? Okay? Please follow lang po the steps. Okay, later na po kayo mag-experiment. Okay. So, yun. You have an entry na. When do you exit? Okay? Kopyahin nyo lang po ang take profit price. Because, if you look at the trade here, may TP level po siya. Okay? 65364. Kopyahin nyo lang po talaga. Wag na kayo mag-isip. Okay? In the meantime, you copy first. And then, you observe, studyhan nyo si robot, para later on, you can customize it according to your profile na mga gusto nyo. Okay? So, yun po ang steps natin. Okay? Pero guys, okay, kung everything goes well and the market is as is, edi take profit tayong lahat. Marami ng milyonaryo. Pero, the market is not predictable. Anything can happen. And this max level, pwede nilang ma-break ito. Though less chances, because that is already the maximum level that happened. Baka may mga black swan events or mga economic events na hindi natin na-foresee. But it is possible that these levels i-break nila. Na instead si ODCAD, level 9 lang ang nadatnan niya. Pwede siya mag 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, what do we do if that happens? Ano po? Cut loss na po tayo. Please be ready to close all your trades kahit naka-drawdown na siya because we want to protect your capital. Better na i-close nyo na po ngayon kesa mag-drawdown pa ng malaki, hindi na nyo na po kaya, mawala pa ang capital natin. Okay? So, if umabot na po kayo, for example, kay ODCAD, umabot na po ng level 7, okay? Meaning, hindi na po na-follow yung historical data natin, then please close all your entries na. Don't worry, nasa konti lang naman siya yung ano niyan, losses. Less than $10. I'll show you po the calculator in a while kung paano. Okay? But yung mga, mga may experience na, may technical analysis na, later, I will give you ideas kung paano nyo po gawin ang risk management nyo. But for the newbies na wala pa talagang alam paano i-manage ang trade, then if hindi na po na-follow ang trading plan, then please close all your trades, okay, with a minimal loss. Correct, Ronnie. Invalid na po ang sumobra na max level. Okay? So, ito po ang steps kung paano gawin. Okay? I'll play. Okay. So, unang-una, okay, you will go to MT4 and ilagin nyo po ang trading account ng demo signal. We will give you the credentials, login and password. Okay. Tapos, pag login nyo na po, may lalabas po na mga trades. Okay? Ito po ang trades ni Robot when I recorded this. Okay? Kita nyo po, may marami po siyang trades every day. Pero ang hinahanap lang natin is etong may pang-5. Okay? NZD-USD, okay? May ano na siya, pang-5 trade. When that happens, ilista po natin itong mga information para makopya natin. I-tap nyo lang po ang trade na yan and you list. Ito pong 3 information ang kailangan nyo. Unang-una, anong currency pair? NZD-USD. Next, anong position? Sell. Next, anong TP? 59797. Okay? So, yun po ang tatlong information na kailangan nyo. Number 1, anong currency pair? Number 2, anong position niya? Sell or buy ba? And lastly, ano ang TP? 59797. Okay? If you go back po dito sa historical level, si NZD-USD, umabot siya ng level 10. Okay? So, supposedly, pasok lang tayo ng level 8, 9, 10. But for the sake of this discussion, no, as early as level 5, okay naman na pumasok. Okay? But, I advise lang po, wait lang po talaga sa later levels. Okay? So, when you execute, ganito po siya. Okay? Lista nyo pong tatlong information and then punta po kayo sa okay. Now you go to your MT5 na live account. Okay? Okay, now let's execute the trade. Make sure lang po that the currency pair is correct, NZD-USD. Tapos, i-change po natin ang lot size. Okay. 0.01 kasi first entry. Okay? Tapos, ilagay po natin ang, okay, make sure po that the lot size is correct. And then, lagyan po ng take profit, yung kanina, 5979. And then, ang position is sell. Okay? So, kopyahin lang po talaga. Okay. Close. Okay? So, when you hit the sell po, lalabas po dito. And you can tap the trade to check kung tama ba ang nalagay natin. It's NZD-USD, sell 0.01, and the take profit price is 59797. Okay. Now, we can do the sell limit order. Meaning, kung mag-open pa ng additional trade si robot, automatically, mag-open din yung account natin. How do we do that? Okay. You just click trade. Then instead of market execution, you choose ito. Okay, you click trade. Okay, instead of market execution, sell limit. Tapos change lot size to 0.02. And the price should be kung sell plus 20 and just copy the same take profit. 59797 and hit place. Okay. So ganito na po ang mangyayari. Ito na po ang lalabas. Unang entry, okay, with a lot size na 0.01. In the event na hindi pa siya mag-take profit kasi umakyat pa ang presyo, it will open another position at this price, which is 20 pip interval na next. With the lot size na 0.02, okay, ma-place na po siya automatically. Wala na po kayong iisipin. Okay? So, yan po ang fully newbie na walang technical analysis po. Kopya lang talaga. Okay? Mga newbies, ready na ba kayo mag-trade ng ganun? Understandable naman po ba? Pa-type naman po ng 100 again, newbie. Kung clear naman po yun, 100. Okay. Sige, i-ready nyo lang po ang demo account nyo kasi magte-trade tayo ngayon. Okay? Now, okay, thank you po mga newbies. Salamat. Now, yung mga may technical analysis. Hello naman po. Pa-type naman po ng 1,000. Yung mga may konting technical analysis, nagtitrade na ng 1 year and up. Ito, si Ronnie. Si Ma'am Caroline din, nag-chat kanina. Ay, Nathaniel. Okay, Rodel. Marami pala. Okay, so, eto po, you can customize the strategy, but eto po ang ma-advise ko and ang ginagawa ko kung may marunong na mag-charting. Okay? Same pa rin po that you look at the robots trades in the demo signal account. Okay? Itingnan nyo po ang level 5 or later. And you chart the currency pairs at level 5 pero instead sa 15-minute, 4-hour time frame po. Okay? Para, okay, if prices are at key levels, meaning nasa support or resistance level siya, nasa Fibo area, or nasa dynamic support and resistance, okay? And the bias is consistent from 15-minute to 4-hour time frame, then you can entry with lot size 0.01. Okay? Kahit po level 1, level 2, and if it satisfies nasa 4-hour time frame, may consistent na bias na yes, tama nga buy or sell, and nasa key price level siya, you can enter. Okay? You can make an entry with a lot size of 0.01. You can add more positions accordingly if prices drop with optimized pip interval. Okay? Pwede 20 pip or 30 pip, depende po sa currency pair. And pwede din po lot size 0.01 for second entry, so on and so forth. Okay? How do you take profit? So your exit po is, you can copy the exit price of the robot or you can TP when the price touches 20 EMA. Okay? Or pwede earlier or pwede po sa 20 EMA kasi lahat naman po mamabalik talaga sa 20 EMA. Okay? That's your exit. And your risk management po is you may increase lot sizing depending on risk per trade being session. And you calculate your potential maximum drawdown using the shadow drawdown calculator. Okay. Now, let's see ano ba itong drawdown calculator. So, you would see how much you would be able to, okay, pwede nyo kasi i-change ang lot sizing. You are not limited to just, okay, let me share my screen. Share screen. Okay. So when you have access to the strategy, guys, you will have access to this shadow drawdown calculator as well. Okay? Okay. So you just go to this sheet, etong shadow drawdown calculator, and you input, for example, kanina, NZD/USD. Okay? And you find that pair. Okay? And then now, you will input, for example, okay, you ask yourself first, how much ba ang i-risk ko for this trading session? As a rule of thumb, in my case, kung naka $500 ka, I would risk 10%, $50. Now, I will calculate, assuming po na 3 positions lang po ang papasukan ko, okay? 0.0. Okay? So, now, $9 po or $10. Okay? So, yung sabi ko po kanina sa mga baguhan, okay? Ayun. So, sabi ko po sa mga baguhan to only copy the last three levels. Meaning, every time you will only have 3 entries in your trade, in your trading account. If ang trade nyo po is lumagpas na po sa maximum na drawdown, okay? You will only cut loss ng $20. Okay? That's a small loss kaysa malaking loss po na hindi na natin kaya ma-let go ang trading account. Okay? So sa mga may mga technical analysis na po, we can change the lot sizing. So like for example, ako, pwede naman po na $50. So we can start maybe with 2, 2, 4, 6. $30 pa. Pwede natin i-change ulit. Pwede baka 5. Hindi na pwede. Pwede 3, 4, 5. Let's try 4, 5, 6. Ayun. So, pwede po, instead of 0.01 ang starting lot size nyo po, okay, pwede pong 4, 5, 6. And you will have a risk of $45 to $50 for that full trading session. So it's entirely up to you kung how many entries that you would want, okay? At the same time, how much you are willing to risk as well for that specific trading session. Okay? And you will have access to this. So clear naman po so far sa mga natin, our friends who already have trading experience. Okay. Sige. Let's see kung may mga tanong. Downloadable po ang session, ma'am. Ang session? Ma'am, pwede po pa cellphone exam niyo po. When you have access po, isa-send niyo po. Nalilito po. Oh, Jennifer! Ano po ang nalituhan niyo? Sa Shadow Drawdown Calculator? Anong broker ba tayo? Do Prime po, broker natin. Okay? Sir, Jennifer, saan po kayo nalilito para I can repeat? Okay, while you are chatting po, here are some tips. Okay? So, just a few tips. Unang-una, do not trade more than 2 pairs per $500. Do not trade pairs of the same base currency, meaning kung naka-NZD USD ka na, wag na mag-trade ng iba na with NZD or with NZD USD. So like NZD CAD, wag na kasi same sila na may NZD. Okay? For newbies, like I said, better to make entries at the last 3 levels of the historical maximum level of each pair para lesser drawdown po. And set limit orders for succeeding entries depending on pip interval of 20 or 30 pips. At least po 2 orders lang. Okay? At least 2 orders lang. Okay? So now, are you ready to trade together? Oh, recorded po ba ma'am para pwede po ulit? Yes, Jennifer. Recorded ito. Thank you kay Leo. Nag-remind sa akin kanina to record. Okay. Now, let us trade. Okay, let me open my phone para dun tayo magte-trade ng sabay-sabay. Okay? Pasok lang ako. Okay. Sana yung... Okay, there you go. Okay. So... Okay. Open. Okay.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Now let me share my screen sa phone. Oops. Okay. Share screen. Share. Screen. Okay. Sige guys. Please punta na kayo sa demo account ninyo. Okay? Please go to your demo account now. Okay. So, ito po ang mangyayari. We will give you access to the demo signal account and it is logged in MetaTrader 4. Okay? MetaTrader 4. Okay? Ito po kay John Penetrante, who is the author and maker of this system. Okay? And when you go to trade, okay, ito po ang trades ngayon ni Robot. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Okay, may odd-cad na patipi na. May odd chef na dalawang levels, level 1, level 2. Okay? May CAD chef na patipi na rin. Euro chef and GBP chef na level 2. Okay? So let's assume lang po that si CAD, for example po si CAD chef, okay? Tingnan natin sa chart. Kung totoo bang pwede na tayong mag-sell. Okay, let's see H4. Okay. Mag-sell. Parang hindi pa pwede. Correct? Kasi may chance na aakyat pa ito. So, yung mga alam po ninyo na technical analysis, mga may experience na po, always go to the 4-hour or the higher time frame like a daily time frame. And if it's telling you po na mag-sell na, then baka hindi pa po. Uy, pwede pala may rejection. Okay? Okay. Sige. But it's still at level 2, di ba? So, hinahanap natin level 5. Okay? Let's just assume na ang itong GBP chef is level 5 na or at a later level. Okay? For example, si GBP chef based from history is level 9. Okay? So, again, based from history, si GBP chef, itong GBP chef, is level 9 sa history. So, let's assume lang po na nasa level 7 na ito. Level 7, 8, 9. Okay? Nasa level 7, 8, 9. So, ano po ang kopyahin natin dito? Sige nga, pa-type. What are the 3 things na kokopyahin natin? Pa-type po ano pong tatlong iyon ang kokopyahin. Para makapag-trade tayo, coach, paano malaman yung price rejection? Sige po, I will answer all your questions in a while. So again, guys, ano ang kailangan nating kopyahin? Okay, very good. Leo, very good. Correct. So ang pair, which is GBP chef, perfect. Ang position is sell. And ang TP is 111081. So again, the TP is 111081. Sulat ko lang. 1.11081. Okay. Now, if we have those 3 things already, we go to our live account. And that is usually in the MetaTrader 5. Okay? Then we go to the quotes. Hanapin natin si GBP Chef. Nasa pinakadulo. Long press lang po. Yun. Lumabas ang trade chart, details, statistics, and depth of market. So, kayong lahat po ba nasa MetaTrader 5 na ngayon? Please type yes kung nasa MetaTrader 5 na kayo ngayon para sabay-sabay po tayong mag-trade. Yes, okay, perfect. So if you press that currency pair, may lalabas po na options. Ang Android po, I think may new order. Yun po ang i-press nyo. For iOS, you click trade. Okay, so ito po ang lalabas. Click trade. Okay, i-review nyo lang po na ang currency pair should be GBP Chef. Itong nasa taas. Otherwise, please choose the correct currency pair. Okay, let's see po the information from top to bottom, starting with the GBP Chef.s. .s po kasi ang account natin is standard, kaya .s po siya. Okay, if you want to change the pair, just click on it and choose the right pair you want to trade. Lower that is market execution. You can change that to buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Okay, I usually use buy limit or sell limit lang. Kung buy ang position ni robot, buy limit ang gagamitin. Kung sell ang position ni robot, sell limit naman. Okay, that's when you do orders. Okay, parang i-ready na natin ba? I-set natin beforehand yung price. Okay, so ngayon, market execution muna. Lower that is the lot size. We changed 2.01 as our first entry. Okay, now we use the take profit. Okay, we input, ano ang take profit natin? 11081. Again, nandito na po ba kayo? Naka-input na po ba kayo ng TP? Type po ng TP. Kung nasa TP na po kayo. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Then, when you're done, you click sell. Kasi nga, ang position ni GBP Chef is sell. Click sell. There you go. Congratulations. That is your first entry now. Okay? Wala pong SL, sir. Equity cut loss lang po. Na kung umabot na po ng maximum drawdown or if you're following po, umabot, naka 3 entries na kayo, tapos nag-open pa siya ng another position, then equity cut loss na. Otherwise, just copy it. Okay? Now guys, if we want to set order limit, meaning kung tuluyan pa itong tumaas ang presyo, then automatically mag-open ng sell position. So ready na ba kayo mag-set ng order limit? Pa-type po ng ready. Ready na ready. Ready. Okay, so click on the Nathan. Check po every now and then ang robot. Okay? Unless po, it will give you parang trading ideas, okay? So now you tap the trade, ito po lalabas. Again, you tap the trade, lalabas po yan. So review, it's GBP Chef, sell 0.01 and the TP is 11081, okay? If we want to create another trade, click lang po ng trade. If pwede nyo po i-modify, pwede din nyo po i-modify if you want to change the take profit. Okay, but we will make another trade. We click on trade. Okay, instead of market execution, let's choose sell limit. And then, let's change the lot size to 0.02 kasi this is our second na entry. Sorry, by the way. Sulat ko pa pala ang anong presyo na na-open natin. It's 1.11223. So, if 114, okay? So, 114, 1.1142. Pwede po ito sa desktop, ma'am. Pwede. Okay, so again, click trade, sell limit, 0.02, and the price now is 20 pips higher. Kung umakyat pa siya ng 20 pips higher, that's 114. 1142. Okay, and the take profit is the same. 111081. Okay? Gets po kung paano nakuha yung price? Okay? Kanina po kasi it's 1122. And copy, Nathan. Okay. So again, kanina po it's 1122 ang na-open natin yung price. So if umakyat pa siya ng 20 pips higher, magiging 1142. Sorry, 1142 dapat. 1142, ayun. 1142. 20 pips higher lang. From 1122, naging 1142. Okay? If that's set na, we now click the place. So, if ever po, umabot po ang presyo dyan, automatically mag-open siya ng sell position. Okay? So, if we look at ito po ang chart. Okay? So, if pupunta po ang presyo dito sa taas, ito, okay? automatically po mag-open siya ng position, second position. Okay. So, gets naman po, GGG. Pa-type naman G. Okay. Sige. Okay. Actually, yun lang po ang ano natin. Let's go to the metaphor. Okay. GBP chef. 35. Okay. Wala sa Android, coach. Wala akong Android eh. Next time po, I'll borrow for Android phone. Sorry. Okay. So, now, I'll answer muna questions before we go sa next steps natin, kung ano na ang next na gagawin. Actually, more or less same lang siya. Nagkaiba lang yung SL and TP. Okay? So, scroll back lang ako ha. Para makita ko. Okay, scroll back. Ang mga questions. Okay. There you go. Sige. Please type your questions lang po, Ma'am Kai. Yung drawdown table po ba ay regularly updated? Yes po. We will actually release a parang tableau na 1 year prior or like how many years prior ang inabutan niya na max drawdown. But again, anytime it will be pwede niya i-break yung pinaka max level. Okay? Kung mag-make order ka po, anong lot size ang gamitin mo since, na-answer na to. So, if first entry, 0.01, second entry, 0.02, third entry nyo po, 0.03. And if gusto nyo po ng ibang lot sizing, choose the drawdown calculator po. Okay? Grid type, martingale. Parlay yan, di ba? Coach, di po yung lot size may sinusunod, depende sa fund natin. Coach, di ba po yung lot size may sinusunod? For newbies po, just follow lang po the 0.01, 0.02, 0.03. But if you know how to do that technical analysis po, then you can calculate the drawdown with the appropriate lot size depending po how much you are willing to risk for the full trading session. Okay, so like yung pinakita ko kanina, it's a 50%. Okay, I'll share. Okay? So, ito po, kung you will start instead of 0.01, start po kayo ng 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, then you will risk $45 for the full trading session. Ganun po siya. Ito po ang, na-risk niya. Okay? If mag-continue pa, ayun, mga $75 if it will still add one more. If you want lower naman po na drawdown, then you lang po, lagay lang po ng mas maliit na lot size. Of course, the lower the lot size, the lower lang din po ang, ito, mga $20 siya. So, normally, if you follow the entry at the last 3 levels, then majority of the time, or like all the time, you will only have 3 entries or 3 positions in your trading account. Then the max drawdown that you will have or see is only around $20 lang. Okay, and if you want to change the lot size, then it's up to you na po. If you want to change that. Okay. Sige, may questions pa. May fixed number of pips po ba yung TP? If yes, ilang pips po? Ano po, 38% FIBO. Check nyo lang po. So, total, for example, kung nasa level 10 na inabutan, so mga presyo ni level 7 ang TP price. Ganun po, more or less. Okay? Tanong po, paano po malalaman kung nasa ang level na and sa anong time frame po? You will go back to you check lang po the robot, and if kung anong lot size niya, you will see na yun din. How much din po ang capital mo? Okay, there you go. Mm. Stop share. Okay. So, eto po siya. This is the view of the robot now. So, you would know kung anong level na siya. It's because of the lot size. Level 1 is 0.01. Level 2 is 0.02, so on and so forth. Ang level 5 lang po is 0.5. Okay, hindi po 0.05, 0.5. Kasi nga, it will signal you, this is the most optimal entry level na. Okay? Invalid na po yung, okay, correct, ma'am. Hindi po valid mag-entry na level 5, valid enter a trade at 3. Nurhan, actually, as a rule of thumb, you can enter at least level 5. But since bago pa po and newbie, I would really highly suggest hintayin na lang po ang last 3 level because I want you to be a low risk trader at first. Okay? Please, hintayin lang po talaga ang last 3 levels. If marunong na po mag-technical analysis, you can enter level 5 or even earlier if nasa higher time frame would have the same bias na ng robot. Okay, Nurhan? Anong broker? Do Prime po tayo. Okay, downloadable po ang session. So, ang drawdown and the summary backtesting file will be shared with you once you have strategy access na. Ang strategy po na shadow technique ipapasok sa mga reversal ng trends, correct? Yes po. Correct, Ronnie. So, if this pair is overextended na and is bound to retrace, dun po siya pumapasok. Okay? How about yung SL? So again, wala po siyang stop loss. It's an equity cut loss. Depending po how much you're willing to risk for that capital. Okay? And the minimum capital po is $500. Okay? So let's go to the next steps. So, bakit po $500? Based po sa history po, no? Kasi this has been since 2022 pa ito. Based po sa backtesting history natin, the best capital po that the robot or you can execute your trades kasi it's very important that you have equity space, okay, for the strategy to be executed before it achieves the target profit, okay? So the approved na capital po is $500 to ensure that you have enough equity space to handle the drawdown, okay? So how can you get the strategy for free? You will have to open lang po a trading account under the community affiliate. So bakit po? The shadow technique po is already free for use na. And when you open a trading account under our community affiliate, the broker na po ang magbabayad sa amin, okay? Ang commissions po na ma-receive namin to ensure that shadow technique is well monitored, okay? May expert traders po kasi tayo nag-check and nagmo-monitor kung kailangan mag-pause ng certain pairs kasi super volatile. Kung kailangan din po mag-early entry, kung mag-early exit, okay? Kahit hindi na po na-reach yung 38% na TP target, sometimes po in early exit na natin, okay? Because we are just looking at that small window na either mag-break even or mag-TP lang ng konti because the number one ruling natin is to protect the capital. Okay, may times pong ganun. So, it is supervised po ng trader experts natin. And may research department din po tayo to ensure that it has the pioneer technology in terms of EA. Okay, and we need finances. To support that, we will have to require you to open a trading account under the community affiliate. Okay, so ito po ang mga steps in order for you to open the trading account and get access. Let me share the steps. So please go to my website lang po. It's traderkaifx.com. Again, please go to my website. traderkaifx.com. Okay, if you can see here po, etong una po, get my free Forex guide. When you register here, automatically, sisend po yung Forex, Fast Track to Forex natin na webinar series. You can watch that. If you also register here, you will automatically receive emailers for our Zoom sessions. May mga free webinars po tayo, okay, na you can watch on your own time. And if you want to start trading, please go to I want to start manual trading because that is the shadow technique. Okay, you click that and automatically you will be redirected to this page. Ito na po ang step-by-step guide to get access of the strategy. Okay, loading lang ng konti. Okay, go. So again, please click the I want to start manual trading para ma-lead po kayo dito. Okay. Tanhin na ng signal natin today. By the way, guys, I also offer one-on-one coaching session. If gusto nyo lang po and applicable sa inyo, during the session, may understand Forex basics, may set up trading account, and execute trading strategy. Okay. Try tayo mag-open. Let me answer some questions here. Tingnan natin. Ma'am, ano yun? MetaTrader 5, yes. May ano din po tayo sa shadow technique, may gold din po. So, may sometimes po, pero very limited lang talaga, mga 5 times a month, nag-a-appear si gold sa shadow tech. So, the max level that it went is level 10. So, I suggest you enter at 8, 9, 10. Okay? May gold din po sa shadow tech. Christian Susaya, Coach, paano malaman yung price rejection? Price rejection po is kung may weak. Kung may malaking weak. Okay? Meaning, maraming sellers or buyers dyan na area. Okay? So, we have time to check the robot. So, we have to check. Yeah. This trading po, pwede ba? Yes, pwede po sa desktop. Yung MT4 po na demo account, isa-send po sa email nyo po kung approved na po kayo to get access. Yes, no problem, Eden. Good luck with your, stay safe sa trabaho. Correct, di ba? Hindi na kailangan magma-market setup, Ronnie, di ba? Si robot na. How to gain access sa robot, coach working mode na ako, pasend na lang po. Yes, no problem. Yes, yes, yes. Coach, real time po ba si robot? Yes po, Nathan. Real time po. So, yun lang, Nathan. Before you open positions, i-calculate ang drawdown. Okay, so, like sa $500, as a rule of thumb, i-trade lang yun ang like 10%. So, mga $50 lang i-risk. So, make sure that you have a plan kung kailan papasok, and dun lang talaga until there lang ang kaya mong ma-drawdown before, if ma-hit yung drawdown mo, then i-close mo na ang mga, para hindi talaga maubos yung capital mo. How much po minimum? $500 po. Paano malaman ang last? Okay, DJ, paano malaman ang last 3 trades? Ibibigay po namin yung summary backtesting file. So, each pair has a maximum level na inabot. So, dun lang kayo sa last 3 levels. Available din po. Yes, may gold din. Di makapasok sa site mo, ma'am. Ha? Bakit? Actually nga, naglo-load. Hindi ko alam bakit. Why? I'll ask my friend na in charge ng website ko. Mas okay ito, coach, kaysa robot ng auto trade, dami na sunog. Totoo, di ba? Mas maganda yung pinapauna muna natin sa robot pero manual trading para may discretion ng trader. Coach, wala po MT5 sa Duprime. Meron po MT5 ang Duprime. Okay? So guys, i-share ko pala before we go. Sorry, nag-extend tayo ng konti, no? I-share ko lang po yung mga OFWs natin. Kung may, as long as may ano kayo po, may trading, may ID. Okay? As long as may ID kayo and there. As long as may Philippine ID po kayo, at the same time, may contact number pa po sa Philippines, please choose Philippines lang po as your location when you open a trading account. Para po, you will get the leverage of 1:500. Okay? Yun po ang advice na leverage kasi. Yun. Okay. So, for our OFW friends, if you have Philippine ID if you have Philippine ID and Philippine contact number, choose Philippines location, but download lang po ang VPN. You can use Tunnel Bear to deposit funds. Okay, use the location sa Philippines para mas optimize po ang trading account na ma-open nyo. Kung wala naman po kayong Philippine ID and Philippine contact number, I will, please PM me po. Nag-apply po ako sa Go Markets na broker para maka-open po kayo. Okay, to serve you po. Yung mga wala na pong ID and contact number. Okay? So, i-chat ko na lang po ang yung steps po, how to get access ng shadow technique. Okay? And follow lang po ang steps. Nasa website ko po, yung sa shadow technique manual trading na strategy natin doon. Actually, you just register, you open a live trading account, choose MT5 STP, fund it with $500, and request po for access. Okay, may Google form po. Log in nyo po lahat ng details nyo and submit it. Para when you are approved, they will send you an email about the demo signal account login ID and password. Okay? So let me, Nathan, paano po ang one-on-one? Go to my website po. May sa baba, may schedule one-on-one. Click on it lang po. May scheduler po doon. Coach, wala po MT Vibe sa Duprime. Meron po MT5. Anong VPN na gamit nyo, ma'am? Tunnel Bear, sir. Tunnel Bear. Tunnel Bear po. Okay. So, if you click on manual trading, ito po ang lalabas. Ay, ganito. Ito. So, if you click on the manual trading po, ito po ang steps. Register to a broker. Okay, if you click on that po, automatically it will go to the Duprime na site. Follow lang po and fill in the details. Okay, please get verified. May kailangan lang po na upload na ID. Fund your account. Minimum po is $500. If nasa ibang bansa po kayo, please choose a VPN. You can download Tunnel Bear, libre lang po iyon. Okay, please choose your location. Turn on the location sa Philippines before depositing. Pwede po GCash. Equity cut loss is less than 10% of capital. Yes po. But it's entirely up to you po. But as a rule of thumb, 10%. Or even lower po kung mas gusto nyo. I-calculate nyo na lang po kung magkano ang kaya nyong i-risk sa capital nyo. Okay? So, ang step 4 po, open a live trading account. Please choose MT5 STP. Okay? Kung shadow technique, leverage of 1:500. Step 5 is request a strategy. When you click on that, lalabas po ang Google form. Input nyo lang po ang details here. Click submit. Okay? And then you will receive the credentials na po via email. Lastly, if you need to withdraw steps, may guide din po dyan. After approval, when you receive email sa approval, may steps po dito. Receive shadow credentials in email, download MT4 app and log in your account, join Discord and onboarding sessions. Okay. Anong VPN? Paano po kung wala na, coach, ha? Stop loss or equity cut loss? Which one is better? Sir, depende po. Kasi both are risk management styles to cut down your losses. Ang stop loss kasi is isang trade na may target profit and then may stop loss ka. Ang equity cut loss po kasi is based from the full capital nyo po, how much of your equity ang ikakat nyo to lesser down or to stop the losses. So, more or less it's the same. The same concept lang po na i-cut down ang losses nyo. Coach, pag makadeposit po ng 500, tsaka na po maka-access, correct, Leonie. Saan po makita ang link na recording na po na ito? Isasend po sa email nyo po if you register lang po. Okay na site mo. Thank you. Save. Coach, ano bagay yung site mo? Ano ba? Ano po ba? Ano bagay yung site nyo? Ito po, traderkayfx.com. Okay, yan po ang site. Strategy na ginamit ko, maswerte yung mga newbie, may guide na, o, diba? Okay. May questions pa ba? Ito si Jans. Ma'am, ano po legit na FB nyo? Thank you, coach. May na internet ko. Okay. Sige. Baka wala na kayong... Sorry for taking too long, but thank you so much for joining, everyone. And if you have questions po, chat lang po kayo. And let's all be profitable. Just go to traderkfx.com and explore lang po sa website. May marami po kayong mga learning resources doon. So, again, ay, hindi tayo nakapag-picture. Wait lang. Oops. So, thank you so much and see you po sa next natin na webinar next week. Thank you. Ingat po kayo. Thank you, thank you. God bless po sa lahat. Bye-bye.